What's up, everybody? The 1B here, and I'm going to do a little video on some video editing. Yeah, more video editing. So we're going to click New Project here, and we're going to make sure we're in this right area this time. This is not on that. This is on Graphic Design, New Folder. Star Trek, T.O.S, the original series, Season 2, thumbnail creation. Okay. Click that, select folder. Click, oh, son of a bitch. Called it untitled. File, save as. Rename. The 1B creates a Star Trek Season 2 recap thumbnail. Version 1. It's a... Yeah. Click that. Save. Yes. I don't know why this is all messed up. I swear. Okay. Videos. Right here. 4/11/2020. 11/2020. There's a bunch of them. It's 02 2815. 02. This one. Drag that down into the project area. It's a short video. This is going to be should be a quick edit. Video editing. We're just adding a end screen to it. YouTube end screen. Drag that down in the project. Drag the video into the timeline. Unlock it. Unlink it, excuse me. We're going to select all these tracks because they're unnecessary. Delete. Take these. I'm going to delete these extra tracks. Click this. The FX controls. We're going to turn up the volume to 15. I always say it, I'd rather you have to turn me down than not be able to turn me up. And then we're going to drop in this one. Do the same thing. And we're going to go ahead and click play real quick. Zoom in just a tad bit here. As soon as I start looking at the camera. So right here. Right? Whoops. Go ahead and link these back up. That happened. I was going to say, they're not linked. Still haven't looked up the hotkey for that. Right there. That over. Just make sure that this is yep. File, save, export media. Form B creates a thumbnail Star Trek, T.O.S. Season 2, version 1. Save. Click Q so we can bring up the Adobe Media Encoder. Yeah, so this was pretty quick. As soon as that finishes loading, things are loading slow for me right now. Usually that happens once I get a lot of videos stacked up. I'm currently uploading videos to YouTube. I'm also video editing and rendering, and I've got a lot of stuff going on. So anyway, I'm going to click Start Queue here, and then that's going to render the video. It's going to be fast. I don't want to do that while OBS is running. I don't want it to mess with any of the encoding stuff. Yeah, so there's going to be some more videos coming out. Watch for those, and that's it. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.